Sandy, happy Sunday. Kita mo, ang dami-dami na yan, oh. Lumulubog na siya, oh. Wala talagang bulaklak yata yan. Nandoon na yung school bus ni Sisi. Ayan na yung school bus ni Sisi. Ayan na yung school bus ni Sisi. Ayan na rin, oh. Ayan, oh, ayan din, walang bulaklak, okay? Ayun na yung school bus ni Sisi. What you wear?
I don't need to wear that one because we're going to go stand.
Hey, you wear
Tennis shoes.
tennis shoes.
Yeah.
Okay. Say thank you. May I see? Wow, very nice sila. Kasiksi. Tingnan mo, that one is from Bibi, May, and
No, Jitu Muhammad.
Jitu Muhammad pala. Ando na yung school bus. Ayun siya, oh. Ganun na siya kalaki. Okay, from 4 months, from 4 months until now. Oh, ganun na siya. And she is already, ayun yung school bus pa namin. And, she is already, what's that? 6 na, 7 na. Ay, naku talaga naman. Hila, go. Hila. Say hello to all of us. Happy Sunday. Ayan yung bag ni Sisi. Where you go tomorrow?
Tomorrow I go like this one, the other one.
So, I'm not prepared for your lunch box.
No, the teacher said just water and breakfast.
Okay. Thank you very much. Very much daw. Very much. So, very nice yung sandal niya. Ayan yung sandal niya. Goli ko. Assalamualaikum. Makuhada. No more. Yan. Hindi mo ba yan na? Yan na yung ano namin. Okay. I-remove good mo. Tingnan mo si... What's the name that one? Kurumiya? And bye!